हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। मैं हूं नियाज अंसारी और आज मैं फिर से मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन लाइनर साइज क्वेश्चन लाया हूं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, शुरू करते हैं अपनी इस वीडियो को।
Which books gives information about species which are endangered? Answer A. Rare data book. Apple is an example of. Answer A. False fruit. The smallest flowering plant is. Answer A. Olphia. The growth of plant is measured by. Answer A. Oxynometer. Green glands are associated with. Answer A. Excretion. Which disease is called Black Death? Answer A. Plague. Glycogen, starch and cellulose are. Answer A. Polymers of glucose. An example of protein which acts as a hormone. Answer A. Oxytocin. Cuscuta is a. Answer A. Parasite. AIDS virus destroys. Answer A. Lymphocyte. Tortoise lives usually for 100 years. Incomplete antigens are called. Answer A. Haptens. Crossing over occurs during fighting. Virus in Latin means. Answer A. Poison. Which test is used for diagnosis of typhoid? Answer A. Vidal test. Which vein brings clean blood for the lungs into the heart? Answer A. Pulmonary vein. Who discovered first antibiotic? Answer A. Fleming. Nitrification is the biological process of converting. Answer A. Ammonia into nitrate. The growth of bacteria is measured by spectrophotometer. Male mosquitoes take their food from. Answer A. Sap of plants. Cirrhosis is a disease caused by inhalation of. Answer A. Iron dust. Alfalfa is the name of grass. Yeast is a. Answer fungi. Blood group AB has no antibody. Protein part of enzyme is known as. Answer A. Apoenzyme. Green algae are known as chlorophyta. Largest bryophyta, Dawsonia. Reptiles of plant kingdom. Answer A. Petridophyta. Father of gymnology. Answer A. Chamberlain. Largest angiosperm plant, Eucalyptus. Answer क्या है? Eucalyptus. Unwanted plants are known as weeds.
रेलवे साइंस क्वेश्चन के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें। थैंक यू।